Today I'm going to be showing you how you can turn this into this. Alright guys, so to start, just grabbing some reclaimed wood, some scraps, and these are about 1 inch. And it doesn't matter if they're long or short, if they have little chips at the end or holes or anything. I'm just taking a couple pieces here. Okay, so I kind of lined them up now here. Are all different sizes. About 10 pieces is what you want. So I'm going to try to cut out 3 pieces, 1 1/16 inch, and 1 piece we're going to cut out 3 1/4 inch as the beam that goes across. So I'll cut that. First I'm going to write it on here just to get a feel for what it's going to look like. Alright, so I just kind of wrote out what it's going to look like here. So you cut it this and then cut this, but move it, or that's the wrong piece. Move it in the center. So let's cut the pieces. Alright, so I got the cross cut in the middle, and now what I want to do is just cut the end pieces so it kind of looks like it's more, kind of like, don't know what the word is, but make it look better. And what you do with each of these pieces is you would write down on the back, you'd write 1, 2, 3, 4 left, 4 right, 5 left, 5 right, and so on, so you don't lose track of all the pieces everywhere, and they keep together nicely. Right, so now you got all your plans, you got everything ready. Now here is probably the worst part. You have to sand every single piece because you don't want this grain when you do the stain. You know the saying, if you don't have a good grain, you can't stain. So yeah, just sand all these pieces and I'll be back with you. And boom, there it is. All the pieces are sanded down. So if you are doing this build at home, have fun with that part. And once you've got your sanding done, you can stain it now or wait until we glue it together. I'm going to wait until we glue it together, but let's glue it together. Alright, so I'm just using tight bind glue to put these together, and then I put clamps on them and just let them dry like that. And I'll see you guys later after I glue it all. Alright, once you guys are done doing that, you can apply the stain with a brush. I'll show you what I've done. So this is what I've done. I glued it together. And the cross section is just 1 inch wide in the middle here, and here, and 1 inch wide here, and here. So 1 inch on every side, and I just glued it all together. Now I would also like to note, I did put some pieces of board and staples on the back just to make sure it's secure. And let's let it dry and put on hangers. Alright, once you've got the hangers on the back done, you're finished your build on how to make this super cool cross. Thank you guys for watching this video. Have a good one.